This Qi Gong home study program is designed for individuals who have a passion for Qi Gong healing and would like to teach others in the future. There are two parts in this program. To be certified to teach, you will need to complete both parts of the program. In this Part 1 course, you will need to follow the training manual for step-by-step learning, then follow the videos to practice. Warm-up exercise. Do the daily can be great for your own health benefits. Tai Chi basics help you to be familiar with Tai Chi and its fundamental Qi practice. Therapeutic Qi Gong Part 1. This is the main Qi Gong form you'll be teaching in the future. The health benefits of this Qi Gong form are incredible. The book Therapeutic Qi Gong for Healing and Prevention helps you to understand the theory of Qi Gong healing and bring your learning to a deeper level. Once you complete the Part 1 course, you can start to learn the second part of this course. There's no time limit to complete either part of the course. Just be comfortable with your learning and feel the benefits from your practice. Good luck with your Qi journey.